roll out the dough. You need brown dough for the bottom part and any colour but not brown or sprinkles on the top. So now I have done all my rolling and now we are ready to decorate! So now let's make our icing for the Play-Doh donut. You can choose whatever colour you want, just don't do the same colour as the biscuit. So now I have done it. Now I'm going to stick it on my donut. So here I am. My icing is all on our Play-Doh donut. Now to make it even more sweeter, let's put some colourful sprinkles. I'm going to do a pattern. So now I am done with my sprinkles. Now let's try to eat it. Not really. I mean, who likes to eat Play-Doh? Not me. Anyways, thanks for watching, kids. Please subscribe and like.